Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing the Allure Beauty Box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up the Allure Beauty Box. This is how the box looks like. Now, if it's been a while that you've seen this on my channel, it has been. The last box I reviewed was back in August. And if you don't know, this month they started a totally brand new box. In a sense, it's the same box, but the price is different, and supposedly they're giving you more full-size products. So I kind of wanted to dive deep a couple months just to see if it's worth it. Wasn't impressed, like I told you in my last Allure Beauty box. Wasn't so impressed because the price had increased, because I thought this was like the best box out of all the subscription boxes. So I decided to give it a couple months, give them a chance for a couple more months to see if I am gonna keep it. So this is like my first full box. I think I'm set for like the next 3 months as far as boxes. So we'll see how that works and see if I decide to keep it. All right, so first thing we noticed with the change of this month is that the box is no longer in gray. So it looks like it's a bigger box as far as like the size of it. Assuming it's for the size of the products, but now this is red, which is super perfect. So that is fine. So let's see what is in this month's box. And if you guys got the Allure Beauty box this month, let me know if you guys were upset with the change that they were going to increase the price of it. I know a lot of people gave them feedback regarding the increase in price. So I'm just curious if you guys decided to keep it for another month or so, see if you're going to keep it yourself, or you just totally got rid of it. But yeah, let me know for sure down below. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. So it's a bit different. Same, it looks like you get a booklet too, but it's red inside, so that's a little bit different. And similar to like the last Allure Beauty box, there is a booklet also. So this booklet gives you the retail value of the prices that you have inside, so you kind of see if it's worth it, if not. And then it gives you everything inside, similar to the $15 a month subscription. All right, so this is what it looks like inside of the box. So we're gonna dive deep into this. Like I said, this is like a trial run for me. This is my decision if I'm gonna keep this or not. So if you follow my blog, you guys know I will put the full retail value of all the products on there because I don't want to waste time calculating products. All right, so I'll start from the most smallest items to and then we'll increase from there. All right, so the smallest item I see here is from Dr. Jart. This is a ceramidin cream, is what it says. So that is, so the full retail, this obviously is more so of a deluxe size Jart cream. So the full size of this would have been $48. And then let me see. So the directions for this, obviously you put onto your cream, onto your face. So it has botanical extracts like artichoke, smooth, fine lines, and turmeric, which is antibacterial is what it says. It says you spread the soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. So this is great for a skincare routine. So we'll see how this works, but you know, this is more so of a deluxe size product here. So here's one of the full size products here. So this is, okay, the label is in the front. It's very small. So this is Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in Irene. So this is a full size of it. Obviously this is $15. And let me see, it says it's cruelty-free formula. And let me see, you kind of got to go, if you don't remember any of the past Allure Beauty boxes, which I wish they would go away with, the description of the products, they give their opinion on how it worked for them. I wish they would give more of the description of the product rather than the editor's opinion. So you kind of got to read through that to see if I can give you some information at all. All right, so the next thing we have is from Sigma Liquid Lipstick. So let me see if I can give you guys the retail value of this one here. Okay, so this is $20 from Sigma Beauty, and this is Venom. So this is more of like a reddish color, and we'll do a swatch, of course. I would say, I've never gotten any Sigma products before. This to me seems like a deluxe size. I don't know if, obviously, because look, in the booklet, look at the size of the lipstick there. So, two, you know, deluxe size products there. But lip gloss or lipstick, kind of, you know, unless you're using it more than once a day, this kind of does last you a while. And this is what this, well, let me show you guys here, just in case. So that is the applicator. And then this is the swatch of this. So you guys can see there, that's the color there. So not bad. This is definitely like a winter, more of a fall color there. So I'm not mad at all with that. Nice color. And then let me see, the next thing we have here is Reverso Eye Serum with retinol. So that is what that looks like there. And then the retail value for this is $65. Now, if you guys got this, let me know if you guys know if this is the full size or the deluxe size. I'm super curious because for $65, I doubt this is the full size product. This would have to be some amazing eye serum, but eye serum, they usually don't give you a big jar or container when you get eye serum. So this could be, because you're not actually using a lot. So I'll put it on my blog if this was actually the full size product, because I got to kind of compare with the ounces. This one is 0.067 ounces. So I have to look online to see if this is the full size. So definitely check out my blog, which will be underneath the video so you guys can see. And okay, so this is how the applicator is. No smell to it. I don't know where I was gonna go smell for it. And it's a white cream there for under your eyes. So yeah, I'll post on my blog exactly if this is full size or deluxe size. Kind of moving toward the full size of it, but you guys let me know. So far we have 2 full size products of it. Full size products, period. The next thing we have here is the new company. This is Tropical Sea. Let me see if we see what this is. This is for fine lines, it says. So we'll see. Okay, so this is what the product is. So let me see if we can figure out what this is. So it says this is, let me see. Okay, so the retail value of this is $70. It seems to be the full-size product of it. So $70, if you think about it, that takes care of your box here for sure. But again, I'll have the comparison of to make sure. This seems to be like the full-size version of it. So I'm assuming this is a full-size version too. Let me see if they give us any information at all. Okay, so this is a powder that you mix with your other skincare products or with water. It adds vitamin C into your regimen without adding weight. So this is, it says it's equivalent to expensive boosts advertised on shop smoothie menus. They add a few shakes of this powder into a gel moisturizer and get the skin a whole lot of look. So that's what that is. And like I said, I'm assuming this is a full-size version. So we'll add that to the full-size portion here. Well, I have a full-size side on my side, just in case. All right, so the well, there's 2 more things. So the next thing we have is Laurel Posay. This is Lip Car Balm. So that's the packaging for that. And this is a sample size or deluxe size version. The full size is $19.99, and that is what the full size looks like there. And this is, let me see. Okay, so let's see what this one is. Okay, so this, I would say this is a deluxe size. So you put this where you rub on your pinky and it's rich and creamy. Let me see. Oh, so this is, it threw me off with the balm part, but this is actually a moisturizer. Simple formulas that make skin glow without the extra fluff and fragrances. So let's see here. Yeah, no fragrance to this one. And then it's a white creamy formula that you can see right there. All right, so last but not least, so you can kind of, in a sense, you can combine this vitamin C with this to give you that night moisturizer. And yeah, there's no smell to that one. So that's, you know, that's cool. And then the last one we have here is, oh, I have two things here, but these are, okay, so two more things. I kind of threw me off. All right, one was hiding beneath one of them. This is Wilma Schumann's European Skincare. This is hydrating. Okay, I see it here. Hydrating eye pads. So these are for those mornings that you have a rough time. Now this is $18 for 5 applicators. So you have one here. So you can divide that in your head and, you know, figure out what that is for. How much this one is. It says you put this on for 20 minutes of wearing them while listening to whatever, and you're left with sense of calm and a face that looks halfway rested. So this is cool. I guess for those heavy mornings when you hung out all night, you can put this on your eyes and get a refreshing look. All right, so obviously that's a deluxe size sample. We'll see because you get 5 applicators for $18. Not really the full size of it. It's kind of a sample. Well, it's a sample period. Then last but not least, we have a sample of Native Fig. This is shampoo and conditioner. So this is blended with vitamin C and E and calcium, gently cleanses and replenishes hair moisture levels while softening and detangling. Free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty-free. See, this is the type of information we want for the rest of the products, guys. Give us the information, because someone like me, I kind of don't want someone's opinion on products because my concerns are different than everyone else's. I'm focused because you guys know I'm on that curly hair transition, going back to my curly hair roots. I'm focused on getting shampoo and conditioners that are sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free. Things like that are important to me, so I kind of don't need the opinion of the editor. I need to know what the product entails or what the focus is on it. So I can definitely use this. If someone would have given an opinion, I couldn't really say if I can use it unless I looked the product up. So thank you for giving that focus, guys. Do more of that. Less opinion and more what does the product do, so we can see if we can use it. All right, so let's do a recap and see exactly what was in this box. So we have a sample of shampoo and conditioner from Native Fig. We have another sample of Wilma Schumann's collagen eye pad. And we have a deluxe size sample from Laurel. We have, what else do we have? We have the Super Eye Serum, which I'm gonna assume this is full size version of it. And then we have a deluxe size from Sigma Lip Care there. I'm gonna assume this is the full size version of Tropical C. So we have that. We have nail color here, which I like the color. And then we have a deluxe size from Dr. Jart. So what did you guys think of all the products that came this month? Definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys got. What did you guys get that was similar to what I got? What did you guys get that was similar to what you got? Or let me know what you got different in the comment section below for sure. Seriously, let me know your thoughts. Are you guys excited with the products that came in the box? Are you still not impressed? Let me know in the comment section below, because I am super curious. Just because I get something, you may get something totally different. But I didn't see anything different in the booklet, so I'm assuming we all got the same product. So let me know if you guys are still impressed or you're just totally gonna cancel it out now that the price has increased. All right, so with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another one. Have a good day.